I've got some Bengals themed tights for Lord Crewe. We did a replica kind of play off of the Chosen One necklace and did it up in the Merciless font, or Merciless logo for him. So we got Merciless 1, and then sewn up in here, stitched, serged, all clean. Got to put a drawstring in, it's right here. So I want to do that here after I sew this down so I don't stitch the drawstring to it. So, and then we got our Bengals stripes down the side. We did the stripes with some Caesar Eco Stretch HTV. This stuff has worked really good. I like that and the stalls. We did it on its own patch to kind of emulate the Bengals lines on their tights. That, and it gives it a little bit more give, putting it on a patch instead of just putting it on the material. And then we got our Lord Crewe logo, Bengals logo on the back. This thing is awesome. Again, it's HTV, the Caesar Eco Stretch HTV. 3 layers. I did a black so it would sit flush, almost like a name patch on the back of a jersey. And then put that on some black football spandex, stitched all the way around it. Real nice. Nice clean stitch. Narrow. I love that logo. His name with the Bengal tiger in it. And then down the side of the other leg. We got a safety stitch here up through the crotch so we don't get no crotch blowout. Again, it's heavyweight football spandex. This stuff works great, holds up good, easy to work with. Got an 1.5 inch waistband, so you should be coming to pick them up soon. I want to have him try them on so we can place this where it goes. So it should go right about there, but I want to make sure when he's got them on where it's going to go. And then it'll say Merciless 1 there, and then it'll wrap around to say Crewe on the back. So really happy with these.